Hello guys, it's the 15th of August over here. Happy Independence Day. Even though I do listen to Iron Maiden, Judas Priest and Arctic Monkeys, but deep down I still want the Kohinoor to be back. This is the place where I'm staying at. Pretty decent. Decent से ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है यहाँ पे. दिखाता हूँ. This is the view. और वो देखो, black coffee ready है. I like places where you have three windows, where basically from three directions you can get the sunlight and you can soak in everything. I'm glad I found a place like this where you can just wake up and do this. Great, right? A lot of snails over here. When you're here, you gotta watch out for the snails and all these tiny little creatures who are helpless. And sip your black coffee. यार black coffee में चीनी डाली क्या इसने?
हाँ भाई, मेरे को भी लगा.
-1 for putting sugar in black coffee. So yeah, वो जो -1 rating था मैं नहीं देने वाला because they're very nice. They're like अरे ठीक है कर देंगे और कुछ नहीं. वैसे हर जगह कर ही देते हैं, so nothing extraordinary. Anyways, let me show you these snails over here. I was talking about these creatures. You gotta be super careful, man. I don't want to stamp them. Anyways, what's the plan for today? What are we going to do? We are going to go down the valley. Meanwhile, the real black coffee is back and let's go, man. क्या इसमें चीनी होगी? I don't think so. Perfect. No, I think the rest of the day will be smooth.
कल याद है तू आफ्टर ड्रिंकिंग
हाँ.
प्राइस तो हम लेट हो गए थे, फिर तू कुछ कह रहा था हमको कि मसाला पीनट्स चाहिए. इंस्टा के एआई ने सुन लिया.
Oh my god. डेटा चोर.
हमारा डेटा चोरी करता
और ये एग्जैक्टली मसाला पीनट्स बोल रहा है.
एग्जैक्टली.
This is how information is just being leaked. I'm sure they just take the keywords and match it with the appropriate advertisement and boom, it pops up right in front of you. कल रात को हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि भाई यार मसाला पीनट्स होते तो अच्छा लगता, and it was too late for the kitchen. और अब सुबह को इसका ऐड आ गया. Intense man, intense. I know फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Lot of you guys just ignore it, but it is what it is. Your data is being filtered out. It's being used, and data is money. Simple as that. This is like the city center, like the exact midpoint of JIBHI, or pretty decent, man. And I found this vibrant cafe. It's called Bonjour, giving itself a French touch. We'll be trying this. Super cringe, man. दिल्ली के यहाँ दिलादिस बन गए हैं. Anyways, let's give it a shot and let's see how this is.
ये कस्टम इंस्ट्रक्शन को दिखा दें.
कौन सा?
Hot slowly, eat lavishly and hot slowly. ये नहीं करेगा.
Life is uncertain. Travel widely, friendship wisely, eat lavishly, fart slowly. We'll give them a try. They're trying to be funny. What a nice, lovely little cafe. And the best part is खाली है अभी, which is nice. और क्या चाहिए? And momos इन्होंने time लगाया because they said they were steaming, so great. As you can see, we have fresh steaming momos. तो कल रात को मैंने एक जगह और momos खाए थे, जो pretty below average in my opinion. And I think this one would be better. So let's give it a shot. Go ahead, man.
Yes, sir. Fresh, man.
Fresh. Let's see if this place has flavor. सिर्फ फन से काम नहीं होगा. Finally. Great. बढ़िया मोमोज मिले. You see this? This right over here is what I was talking about. The thick texture of chicken. अगर आप चिकन के मीट में कंजूसी नहीं करोगे, दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंस टू योर मोमोज, एकदम परफेक्ट।
भाई तो रिपीट कर सकते हैं यार, लेकिन आधे घंटा और लगाएगा।
नहीं शायद बन गए होंगे ना। तो you understand, right? They are pretty good. They're actually so good that we might even repeat it. If we come to this place, I'm not sure about how rest of the food tastes, but right in the city center it's called Bonjour. It has a lot of puns. मेरे सपनों की चटनी कब आएगी तू? Anyways, so yeah, यहाँ के मोमोज खा लो. I'm pretty sure they are reasonable as well.
जूसी है यार।
फटाफट we're going to gulp this down और इसके बाद we'll check out the next place which I think is mostly Cafe Bella. Let's go. All right, we are at Cafe Bella. ये जो जगह ना, ये आपको थोड़ी सी खोजनी पड़ेगी because there is no proper boarding or like proper banner कि हाँ this place is over here. So थोड़ा सा जीबी से आपको बाहर आना पड़ेगा, hardly around 400 meters, and then you get to sit here, enjoy this view and have your food. This place would be great to have a brunch on a sunny day. Unfortunately today is not one of those days. तो जितनी लाइट है उसमें मैं कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करूँगा and then afterwards I'll try to edit it and yeah, let's have the pizza, man. Waiting.
थोड़ा फ्लेक्स कर दे।
Okay, guess who's here? अगर से मुझे लग रहा है कि डो फ्रेश होगा, but जब तक मैं ट्राई करूंगा मैं तब तक बता नहीं सकता. When I want to have pizza, I only look for three things. First one is the dough. It needs to be fresh. चिपकना नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर थिन क्रस्ट है तो क्रिस्पी होना चाहिए और अगर थिक क्रस्ट है it needs to have volume, which I think this one does have. Secondly, the toppings में कंजूसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Good job guys. And thirdly, पुल कैसा है चीज़ का वो हम अभी पता करेंगे. Cheers guys. The stuffing है that actually dominates and cheese is great. Full ठीक ठाक है. However, the base is super fresh.
तेरा रिएक्शन देख के तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस कम हो गए।
अच्छा.
वो तो हम भी पहुंच गए जनवरी जोश के रोड पर। वहाँ की जोड़ी वहाँ से थोड़ा नीचे आ रह गए यार, तो चलो यार हम तो टॉप पे पहुंच गए, रोड खत्म हो गई आप लोग। थोड़ा यहाँ से तुम पूरा 180 व्यू आ रहा है।
Different है.
पीछे को नहीं दिख रहा, पूरा पीछे की तरफ पहाड़ है।
Something different.
Just like
अच्छा है.
pan pizza from
और ऐसी समझ लिया, 4 बार आया मैं।
I think अगर इसमें मोज़रेला होता तो it could have been much better.
भाई सो बोलता था।
But however, the basil over here tastes great. Found myself a very decent and aesthetic place, honestly. It's kind of cold right now. Why not walk into a place where there is heater? Banana wall cake is something that I'm going to finish my day with. मैं pretend नहीं करूँगा कि like I'm having it for the first time. I had it like 10 minutes ago. I usually keep a track of my macros, but I don't know, I felt like having one more. So this banana walnut cake is something that you should definitely have if you're planning to come over here. It's called the Pink Panther Cafe. Why is it named Pink Panther? I'm not sure. Can you give us some insight, like why is it named Pink Panther? I noticed one thing, the attention to detailing that you guys are doing, because you guys are keeping a track of what time that was done. It all shows in the walnut cake. So good job guys. I can't think of a better way to end this video, and probably hit around 4,000 calories so far. कोई नहीं. You're on vacation, calories don't count. Intermittent fasting and we'll burn it. Simple as that. Appreciate the watch and I'll see you guys again. Take care.